I wanted to tell you guys about this story about a Detroit bus driver named Jason Hargrove, 50 years old. So he did this viral Facebook, basically just feeling away. Like he was cussing and fussing and just feeling angry and disrespected, just like we all do if someone coughs. Okay? Especially if they cough more than 3 times right in your vicinity and in your enclosed bus. Okay? So it was a 50, 60-year-old woman that was coughing like multiple times and coughing right without covering her mouth, coughing in his vicinity, and only it was about 8 other passengers on the bus because of course they're trying to make sure they limit the amount of people, keeping space, I'm sure. I'm saying that, but I don't know if that's why I was only 8 people on the bus. So it was like 8 people on the bus, and anyway, he got off the bus. He went into a rant, like just couldn't believe it that she would have the audacity to do this, not taking this thing seriously, putting their lives at danger. Just how I feel. I feel the same way. I feel that way when I'm not getting my proper space. I mean, all of that. I feel away. So, a week and 4 days later, so 4 days after this incident, he got sick. In a week, and was diagnosed with COVID-19. And a week later, he died. So rest easy, Jason Hargrove. My heart goes out to his family, his friends, his loved ones, everyone that was near and dear to him. But this is not a game. That man is gone. He died. So I am showing you a clip of his video, his Facebook video, and also the story. So guys, is please, for people that are playing out here, stop. It's not a game. People are dying. I don't know what the death toll is at this point, but I know it was close to 8,000 the last time I looked, because I've been trying not to look at CNN as much. I'm trying not to turn on the television as much. Whew, because it just breaks my heart. So please, please stay safe. Please, guys, if you can, stay home. Live, love, laugh, dance. Enjoy your family in this time if you can. I mean, if you only have yourself at home and you have a pet, enjoy your pets. If it's just you virtually, let's talk. It's people you have many different things to be able to video chat, video talk, and communicate together with in that way. Get to know what you want in life. Where do you want to go from here? And be with self. Meditation is great. It's a lot of things that you can do you wouldn't believe that you can get caught up on, because now you're having to be still. So guys, please just continue to do the things that are right in this time. Again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and I appreciate you for taking the time to listen to me.
Edge Intelligence helps you collaborate with internal teams and work with external partners, so you can upload files reliably and make changes on the fly to keep your business growing. That's the power of edge-to-edge intelligence.
Bus drivers are on the front lines of this pandemic every day, doing their jobs courageously and unfailingly in the face of what's going on. Among them, a man named Jason Hargrove. He was 50 years old. He was a bus driver in Detroit. On March 21st, he was driving a city bus when a woman got on and coughed multiple times, not even trying to cover her mouth, according to him. In a Facebook Live post that went viral, Hargrove laid out his frustration that people are not being more cautious in the midst of this pandemic. Listen to what he said.
Hey, look, listen, man, let me tell you something. This coronavirus is for real. And we out here as public workers doing our job, trying to make an honest living to take care of our families. But for you to get on the bus and stand on the bus and cough several times without covering up your mouth, and you know that we in the middle of a pandemic, that lets me know that some folks don't care, utterly don't give a excuse my language, but that's how I feel right about now. For a grown person in her late 50s, early 60s to stand on the bus and cough 4 and 5 times without covering up your mouth, and you know we in the midst of a crisis with this coronavirus, I am pissed the off. I ain't blaming nobody. I ain't blaming nobody but the woman that did that. I ain't putting the fault on nobody else. For us to get through this and get over this, man, y'all need to take this serious. It's folks